Good morning. I made it. I was wondering if I'd make it today, and I made it. Let me share this to my VIP. Hello, ladies. All right. So last night was fun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My husband is hilarious. Hey, Hannah. Good morning. All right. We're going to do this. Hey, Molly. We're doing really quick. We're going to do something really super quick. We're just going to do, actually, lips and lashes. And I forgot to put my cream shadow on, so you're going to get a little bit of cream shadow action, too. And I'm just using Victoria's cream shadow. Splurge cream shadow. And this is just a really simple, light color. Extremely neutral. And I'm just going to pull that across my lid. I don't want anything to take away from these lashes. I'm wearing my special socks today, Molly. Hey, Kristen. Good morning. I messed up and I got on here before I put my shadow on. But this is cream shadow, so it literally only takes a second. And we done. I'm going to smooth that out with my finger. And I've got something in my eye. It's been in my eye since before I took my shower. Put eye drops in, thinking, maybe I can wash it out. No, I can't. I can't get it out. So we're going to make do with what we got. All right. Simple. How many of you watched my live last night with Todd? Oh my God, was that not hilarious? We're still laughing about it because we had so much fun. I never have had crazy socks, but I always wear Well, do you want me to bring you some? I always have mismatched funky socks. If I wear them, they're funny. I actually have non-school appropriate socks somewhere, but I won't wear those today. So I'm just going to put some Epic mascara, regular old black Epic mascara on, and I want you to see the transformation. And my mascaras got mixed up last night. Not sure which one's the new one and which one's not. We'll find out. Hey, Kim. Good morning. So let's put Epic mascara on. I haven't put anything else on my eyelashes. Just curled them. Are you seeing this? We saw you walk in Paisley the other night. We drove by you, or up by the ice cream shop. And we went by, I'm like, that's Paisley. It was too late to holler at you. So there's one coat of Epic, you guys. Hey, Beth. Morning. Morning, sunshine. So I'm wearing my crazy socks. I put my fun little bandana in. I'm rocking the complimentary colors today. All right, there's like 1.5 coats of Epic mascara. Epic mascara is no joke. If you have not tried this brand of mascara, you absolutely need to try it. You loved my live last night. I was watching it while eating dinner. Oh, well, thank you. Thank you. I have another one. I can't find it. I thought this one was perfect because it's got gold in it, and I'm wearing fun socks, and I've got this bright sweatshirt on. You guys, I'm so tired of being cold. It's not even funny. Oh, thanks, Beth. You're sweet. I'm halfway to my goal, you guys. As of last night, I'm halfway there. I've got 9 more days. Do you have the Drake shirt on? No. No, of course not. Mine's not clean. Are you kidding me? That has to be, I have to know that ahead of time. I remembered the socks, though. pretty good. All right, one coat right there. I'm totally doing it. I'm absolutely going to hit my goal this month. Absolutely. Probably introduce myself. I haven't done that yet. I'm Sarah Howarder. I'm a blue status presenter and I'm running for green. I'm gonna get it. I'm determined. And I just love this stuff. That's why it's so great is people are like, I'm not a salesperson. I'm like, neither am I. I just love it and I share what I love and that's all that it is. If you like it, you want to buy it, okay. I'll help you feel beautiful just like it helps me feel beautiful. I know, right? All right, so here's my thing. I'm going to put on 2 lip products. And where did I put my... I just had it. I had everything laid out. If I put it back in here, I'm going to die. Oh, it's right in front of me. All right, so we just put mascara on. And now we're going to put lip stain on. I'm going to put a little lip gloss on. Okay, this is what we got. This came out last summer, and I got it at convention. It is Stiff Upper Lip, excuse me. Lip stain in the color Social, which is it's kind of like a gray purple, which I thought would be really great today. Just a little color. Hey Nicole, good morning. So it just gives it a little color. You can layer this as much as you want to. You can make it as dark or as bold as you want, depending on how many layers you put on. I need more. I suffer from very dry lips, so I had to exfoliate first. And then put the stain on, and then we're going to put some lip gloss on and call it a day. I'm going to let it dry though, make sure it's dry. I know, I love the lip stain. The stiff upper lip stain is wonderful. My mom wears it, like that's all she wears is the lip stain. And growing up, she was always a lipstick person, but since they came out with the stain, that's all she wears. Or since I started selling Younique, now she wears the stain. And it's great. It doesn't get sticky. It doesn't burn. It's not like I've tried other products and it just burns my lips and I don't like it. I don't want it. Even tingle factors. I don't like tingles. So I'm really sensitive that way. All right. So we're going to put some lucrative lip gloss in the color Lunar on. This is just kind of I'm purple and golden it all over the place. This is a goldish sheer lip gloss. Look at that, perfect. I love it. We're very basic today. All right. Thanks for hopping on. If you are needing any Epic mascara, and I highly suggest that you do if you have not tried it, message Epic below. If you're interested in lip stain or lip gloss, comment lips below, and I'd be happy to message you and get you those products. Have a very happy Thursday. I will talk to you later.